Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So yes, I know it's been a while and it is great to see you guys again, but there haven't been really substantial news recently and I have been really busy with the new channel. The LG Wing review is coming really soon and there have been some complications with the second wave of corona in India, but guys, just make sure to subscribe to AMRTR. A lot of interesting things are coming really soon. Now to OnePlus. So we have our very first leaks about the OnePlus 9T series, and let's just start with the sad news, which is that just like last year, there won't be a OnePlus 9T Pro smartphone this year as well. Last year OnePlus didn't release a 8T Pro because they had nothing significant enough to offer in order to warrant a replacement for the already really good OnePlus 8 Pro. And according to reports, this year as well, we are not going to see a OnePlus 9T Pro. And some of this blame could be put on the global chip shortage. As you guys already know, we are currently dealing with a silicon crisis, so getting chips for two smartphones would be absolutely hard in 2021. So much so that Samsung, who makes their own chips, ain't got enough chips to power the Note 21 Ultra. And that's why they had to cancel the Note 21 series this year. So that's why OnePlus chose the phone they are likely to sell in more quantities. But the lack of the OnePlus 9T Pro also makes me think for a second that would there ever be a T Pro smartphone in OnePlus future again? Now that is a question only time can answer. But guys, the good news is that there still will indeed be a OnePlus 9T this year with some borrowed features from the 9 Pro. The OnePlus 9 used a 120Hz OLED panel of LTPS technology, but with the 9T the display will be getting a big boost as it will now be running a LTPO display of 120Hz, which was previously present on the OnePlus 9 Pro. The OnePlus 9 also featured a flat display, but the 9T will come with a curved display, so basically they are turning the 9 into the 9 Pro in the 9T. But there still remains one key difference, which is that the OnePlus 9 will have a Full HD 1080p display, whereas the 9 Pro is Quad HD, and there might also be some sort of size difference which we aren't yet sure about. The display size of the OnePlus 9T is not yet known, but likely it will be the same as the OnePlus 9, which had a display of 6.55 inches. Now what remains to be seen is that what other upgrades OnePlus has planned for the 9T, or is it just the display stuff? I mean, there isn't much left to add without rendering the OnePlus 9 Pro completely obsolete. Maybe there might be a Snapdragon 888 Plus to boost the power, but for now this is all we know about the OnePlus 9T series. Let me know guys your thoughts about the OnePlus 9T. Make sure to subscribe to both of my channels for more interesting videos. Hit the like button for the OnePlus 9T series, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.